everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're heading to Busan this summer, or are already here, this is your complete guide to what's on from June through August 2026. Concerts, festivals, beach events, and weekly drone shows, there's something happening almost every weekend. Let's get into it. June is a standout month this summer. The weekend of June 12th to 14th alone has 3 things happening simultaneously. BTS Arirang in Busan, both concert dates sold out at Busan Main Asiad Stadium, but the June 13th show is streaming live in over 3,800 cinemas across 80 countries, so check local listings if you can't be there in person. At the same time, the Gwangalli Eobang Festival runs June 12th to 14th at Gwangalli Beach, a 3-day cultural festival rooted in Busan's Joseon-era fishing village history. It's free to attend and features a street parade, traditional performances, a recreated folk village, and hands-on activities along the beach. It's being recognized as a National Culture and Tourism Festival for the 8th consecutive year. And on both concert nights, Gwangalli Beach is hosting a 1,000 drone light show. It's free, with no ticket needed. 3 events, 1 weekend, in the same part of the city. Later in June, the Film Festa runs at Busan Cinema Center, combining food-themed film screenings with outdoor events, food trucks, and craft beer. And on June 27th and 28th, the Busan One Asia Festival brings another K-pop lineup to the Busan Asiad main stadium. It's open to international visitors aged 15 and over, and one more note on June, Haeundae and Songjung beaches open for a swimming on June 26th. The other 5 beaches don't open until July 1st, so plan accordingly if you're visiting earlier in the month. What's also worth knowing, regardless of which weekend you're here, Gwangalli Beach runs a weekly drone show every Saturday evening at 8 o'clock p.m. and 10 o'clock p.m. The Gwangalli drone show is free, runs year-round, and is one of the better things you can do on a weekend evening in Busan. Get there early for a spot on the beach with a bridge behind you. 2 things worth knowing before we get into July and August. First is Jangma, which is Korean's monsoon season. This runs late June through late July. It brings heavy rain, high humidity, so outdoor events can be affected. You should pack a light waterproof layer and quick dry clothes. Second, the last week of July into the first week of August is the peak season for Korean travel. School holidays and corporate leave overlap, so accommodation prices spike, trains fill up fast, and Haeundae at this time is one of the most crowded beaches in all of Asia. Book ahead if this is your window, and if you have flexibility, the week either side is a much better experience. August 7th to 9th is the weekend to have in your diary. Waterbomb Busan and the Busan Sea Festival both run on the same dates this year. Waterbomb is the K-pop water festival. It has live performances, water gun battles, audience teams soaking each other, so it sells out fast, so book early. The Busan Sea Festival runs the same weekend at Haeundae, Gwangalli, and Daepo. This brings concert, fireworks, night pool parties, and street performances. 2 of the city's biggest summer events on the same weekend. Also worth noting is that all 5 of the standard beaches open for summer operations on July 1st. This includes Gwangalli, Daepo, Songdo, Ilgwang, and Imrang beaches. So from early July, the full coastline is open. Later in August, the Busan International Comedy Festival runs from August 29th to September 7th. And on August 31st, the beaches close their summer operations. This includes Gwangalli, Daepo, Songdo, Ilgwang, and Imrang, as well as Songjung Beach. Haeundae will stay open until September 15th. Here are some things to know if this is going to be your first summer in Busan. Busan in summer is generally one of the better places you can be in Asia right now. The city has a stacked calendar this year in a way that gives you something to build a trip around regardless of when you're coming. If this video was useful, hit the like and subscribe button. We cover Busan and Korea throughout the year, so there's always more coming. Drop a comment and let me know which event you're planning to catch. And we'll see you in the next one.